In this video I will teach you how to draw a 3D gear in BricsCAD. Let's start with the construction lines. Select any point and make two construction lines perpendicular to each other. Now let's draw circles. Use the intersection point as the center and draw a circle with a diameter of 3.333 units. Then draw another circle, and for this enter diameter of 3. Then do this again with a diameter of 2.571 units. Now we have 3 concentric circles. Okay, now let's use the offset tool to our horizontal construction line and apply an offset distance of 0.047 units. Then do this again with an offset distance of 0.1309 units. Then use the 2D mirror tool to mirror these two lines. Select any 2 points on the center line to define the mirror line. Then press N for no because we don't want our source object deleted. Then also apply the offset tool to the vertical construction line with a distance of 0.107 units and also use the mirror tool. Okay, so now we have these 3 concentric circles. Now let's go and trim all the unnecessary lines. We also don't need these lines anymore, so just delete them. Now we have this little arc segment, and we are going to create a polar array of this segment. Use the same center as the circles, and then go to the number of items and enter 18. Now draw a 3 points arc and connect these 3 points. Mirror this arc opposite the center line. Okay, we don't need these construction lines anymore, so erase them all. Also trim the unnecessary parts of the outer circle. Now we need to also erase the unnecessary parts of the polar array, but for that we are first going to need to explode this array. So go ahead and do that and then erase the unnecessary parts. We have a clean drawing now. Go to the fillet tool and first change the radius to 0.062 units. Then select the lines we want to fillet and do the same for the other corner. Okay, now we have a profile ready. All we need to do now is delete everything that is not necessary. Then use the join command on the profile so it becomes 1 unit. Now let's make an array of this. Again, use the center of the circle and enter 18 items. Now we will connect 2 profiles with the spline tool. Select the start point and the end point and use a tangent line of 0 degrees on each side. You need to convert this spline to a polyline, so go to the spline edit tool and select convert to polyline and then enter a precision of 10. Now make a polar array of this little segment with the same center and then enter 18 items. Then select everything with a window and use the join command. Now we'll make some other features of the gear. Use the circle command to draw a circle with a diameter of 0.5 units. Then do this again for a diameter of 1 unit and for a diameter of 2 units. Make sure to always press D for diameter each time so that you don't accidentally enter the radius. Now remove the outer circle because we don't need that anymore. Now let's go to 3D view. Before we go any further, make sure the boundary detection is enabled. Select this boundary and extrude it to a height of 0.5 units and enter. Do the same for this inner ring. Then for the bigger ring, enter a height of 0.25 units. Now we need to join these different parts. For that, select it all and then press Union. Now we only want this 3D solid to be in our drawing, so to the right in the Structure tab we are going to erase the polyline and the 3 circles that are still there. Okay, to smoothen the edges a bit, we are going to use the 3D fillet tool. Select the wanted edge and press enter. Then insert a radius of 0.125 units. Then do the same for this edge. Okay, so this is only half the gear. To completely finish it, we still have to mirror it. Select the 3D mirror tool in the ribbon and just pick 3 random points of the XY plane to define the mirror plane. Enter N for no because we don't want to delete our source objects. Okay, the only thing left to do now is to unite all the different solids. So for that, just select it all and press Union in the ribbon. Now on the right you can see we have one 3D solid. Okay, so this is our complete gear. Thank you for watching.